everybody, it's Mary. This is a do stuff with this video, but Wayne is at work. He did do part of this. This is my, our sensational salad video. It's gonna be short and simple. I don't know where my stand is to hold my phone. Wait, I have one. Oh wait, I'll be back. I found a stand, everybody. So I'm not gonna edit that out. I am gonna do. I'm sweating like a pig right now. Thanks everybody for the support the last few days on everything that's going on. It's 3:03. Wayne will be here very soon to go to his second job. So I'm gonna make up dinner, which is the sensational salad. If you can hear that noise, it's me cooking chicken. It looks so good. I didn't have any olive oil. I have no clue where my olive oil went. I thought I bought it. Maybe I didn't. I took butter instead and used my pasta pizza magic stuff. Melted the butter, put it on there like a rub, and I'm cooking it because, yeah, I didn't have time to bake them. I probably did, but whatever. I'll bake it all together tonight. On to the salad. Sorry. I'm scatterbrained, not working. Have to go to work at 4 o'clock. By 4. So, this is the ingredients. Well, not all of this. I know, it has soybean oil. I'm sorry. The next mayonnaise I'm going to use, though, look at this. Look at the mess that is my pantry. Just part of it. This is the next mayonnaise I'm going to use. It's the Primal Kitchen avocado mayo. But I'm using up what I have. And I have bought more. I just can't. Wayne did this part. He's boiled and peeled the eggs for me. So I have that done. He's getting 3. I'm getting 2. Literally, mayonnaise, sriracha. I might add in some other stuff. I don't know, it's a work in progress. So let's do this together. The other ingredient I'm gonna add, that I've always, my mom got me into it. I'm gonna add olives, green olives into my thing. They are a great snack. The stuffed ones, manzanilla, olives, water, salt, pimento, lactic acid, sodium, calcium chloride. Yeah. They have 2.5 grams of fat for every serving and nothing else. So they're good little, like, fat bomb. Like, if you want a savory fat bomb, eat an olive. Let me put my chicken. Alright. Chicken flip. I have 2 eggs left and I don't know what I'm doing with them. So what I do, you're going to take, this is the easiest thing. See how I haven't cut any of my eggs up? Because I do it when I add stuff. I need a spoon. This is half a tablespoon. What's that tablespoon? We can do that. A serving of the mayonnaise is a tablespoon, so I'm going to add a tablespoon. I told you guys, this is easy. This is all my brain can handle over the last few days. I may add more mayonnaise in this, but it all depends on consistency. Everybody makes their egg salad different. Like, this is a meal. Like, for sure. Sorry, you're probably filming my tubes right now. So yeah, let me reset. Alright, so it's a tablespoon of mayonnaise. I'm adding in half a tablespoon at a time. Don't know what I'm filming. We'll see if this video sucks and I will film another one. I can always eat egg salad. Well, a little bit. I don't do exact measurements on egg salad, or tuna salad. Not anymore. Sorry about the loudness. So I'll show you what it looks like. Look at the chicken. It's coming around nicely. Look at that brown on my chicken. So, a tablespoon-ish of mayonnaise in each thing. Now this is the fun part. I'll show you guys how I mix it. I need a good knife. We'll use this one. This is how I mix it and cut it up. I mix it in the container I'm going to serve it in because I'm lazy. This is taking a while for me to film, guys, just so you know, mentally. I'm just not checked in today. But I don't want to let you guys down and not film. So, the longest part of this entire recipe is boiling the eggs. You can literally do anything while you boil eggs. Wayne can give you all the, like, special... I'll put it in the description below, or maybe post it on the video, how he does eggs. They come out really good. Funny thing was, we left these... I was going to film Sunday and never did. Never did yesterday because stuff happened. The eggs had grown ice. Not grown ice, but ice had formed on the eggs. So they're a little tough right now. I am so sweaty. I'm going to turn off the chicken. Because I'm pretty sure it's done. And I'm going to bake it anyway tomorrow. Or later. I don't know. The next thing I'm making is that egg loaf thing. That everybody's made. Once you get a rhythm, you can sort of mix and spin. It's like, you could do this probably in hand, a ring-ringy, I call them, the food processor, too. I don't know why you couldn't make egg salad in the food processor. Guess you'd lose some of it on the blades, I guess. This needs more mayonnaise. Screw it. Screw the measurements, everybody. Sometimes you just have to live. Usually I like to do more extravagant type recipe things, but I got nothing. If I think of anything, and the next day I will refilm and do something else. But I don't want to make it too soupy. Thing is, if you make this overnight, it can turn to super dry up. Just like tuna fish. Sorry I'm blocking the shot, but I'm a righty, and I set it up on the other side. So there's mine for right now. So I don't even measure this. I just have this brand of Sriracha. Chili sauce with garlic. Picante. It's got no carbs, no fat. It just has sodium and 1 gram of protein for a teaspoon. Yeah, I used to never like hot stuff. But now I sort of do. Adds a little more flavor to it. So once again, I'm just going in with my knife, because I'm not... You have to do it this way. But you guys can still sort of see. I'm getting it in shot. See, it's cut in. You get this nice little red color. It gives it a little bit different. Like, you can do egg salad. If you watch, there's a Keto Connect video I'll try to find and link above. Of all these, this is where we got the idea for the egg salad. So many different versions of deviled eggs. All deviled eggs is fancy egg salad to me. I'm going to see if there's anything else I can add. You can add anything at this point. Done. I will add some pepper and some salt. My ground stuff I get at Dollar Tree. A touch of salt. Basically, you're done right there. Oh, but I'm going to add these. I will cut these up before I put them in. Sorry. I will cut these up before I put them in. So, this is the Aldi brand. So, I'm going to take the olive. Oop. I'm going to take the olive and I literally just, like, cut it into my hand very carefully. None of my knives are super sharp that I use. So I can do that. I like to know I'm eating an olive. Sometimes I'll come smaller, but it's already 3:13. And I don't have time for that crap. So there's that. And then I'm going to stir it in again. It is not pretty, but I think I am done. I was going to do avocado on it, wasn't I? We will. That's why I had the avocado out, everybody. Secret ingredient. So I'm going to cut this up, split it in half. So I already cut it, but here's how you cut an avocado. You cut it in, right? That's where I cut it. And you follow. You're literally just going to roll it against here. Make sure you have a sharp knife. Do that. It should come apart really easy. Oh, that is overripe. We're just going to go around the green, the brownie part. That's just like a banana, just overripened. And you do that. It shouldn't come out that easy, but it should. You put your knife into it, spin, and it should come out. And then you can just whack this on your garbage and throw it away. Just like that. So, score the avocado. This is a bigger half, so Wayne's gonna get this half. And then, I'm gonna use the same spoon I've been using. I'm all about less dishes. Add some good old fats to this. And I just use a spoon. They make a tool for it. That's so stupid. You can use a knife. And if you have a ripe avocado, you can do anything to this. I'm not even going to score this because I know it's going to be... I probably should. Okay, we're going to score this. You didn't need this big of a knife. I didn't need this big a knife, not you. We as a whole didn't need this big of a knife, but we did. First one in the drawer. The brown parts are just overripe, but sometimes they can taste a little off. You know, banana changes. If you remember bananas, if you eat bananas, ate bananas, whatever, the flavor can change. So I'm going to just go around it and get as much green of it out. This is real life. Like, I'm leaving that much in there. So. Mix one more time. And just be careful in the avocados. There will be, I already took it out, threw it out. There'll be a little eyeball thingy. That's what they call it, the eye. Alright, so there's avocado. I'm going to cut Wayne's up a little more while it's in here. But I sort of like to have sort of chunks. See? There's Wayne's. Chunks of that. I don't even need to taste it because I know it's good. Update on my chicken, I'll show you guys. Yeah, look at that chicken, everybody. The chicken, I'm gonna make this weird, I want chicken parm, the flavor of it. Chicken parm-ish type thing. So I did put Italian seasoning on there. And I'm gonna cook with some peppers, and I have to get olive oil somewhere, because I don't have any. It disappeared. My kitchen ate, if you saw my pantry, the kitchen ate it. But that's literally it for my recipe. You can eat this with anything. I'm going to eat it on its own. Probably with... these are amazing. I think I'm going to put... For some of my salads, I've been doing this. I did it with Wayne's chicken salad I made him yesterday. You can put these on there. And they don't have them everywhere. They're sea salt and lime poblanos. They're little crispy ones. They have a few carbs per thing. There's 3 carbs for 1.5 tablespoons. I put a sprinkle on here. Just for a little bit of crunch. Or you could even do, I have moon cheese you could have with it, but a moon cheese wouldn't taste right. These are going to be good. I think I'm going to put 1 or 2 of these on. No, I'm going to use poblanos. You can put those on top. Serve it with anything. Your favorite keto bread, your favorite keto salad, or your favorite keto buns or crackers, any of that stuff. So yeah. Need some more coffee. I need to get ready, because Wayne should be here literally any second. And I'm going to cover these up and get ready for me bringing him to work and then bringing my butt to work. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Sorry this wasn't, the usual Wayne and Mary do stuff with us. This was just Mary does stuff that Wayne helped make. But I'm happy I even filmed this video. I haven't been to the gym. If you follow my Market Fireball channel, I haven't been to the gym, because... life happens. Thank you, everybody, for your well wishes, though. Sorry, I did that in the wrong hand. Forgot I had this little stand, and then I could add my other stand to it. Awesome. I'm gonna go get ready. Dinner is ready. That took less than 15 minutes. If I hadn't been talking and making the chicken, it could have taken 5 minutes if I was completely with everything today. So, thanks for watching. Hopefully I have a better video for next month. monthly collab. I will have a playlist of, eventually I'll have a playlist. I'm going to have a link down below of everybody involved in the collab. Go check their stuff. I know they're going to have more intensive, maybe, recipes than I do. So, yeah, enjoy those. And we will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Wayne and I thank you for everything. Peace.